Water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. The famous phrase is now a reality, as drinking water without a water purifier is hard to imagine. There are plenty of branded water purifiers available in the market, and no doubt they all are providing hygienic water. But are they providing you the alkaline-rich water with balanced pH value? Do they provide you cost-effective service? Surely, you're in doubt, right? Hi, I'm your host Aditi, and to clear all your doubts, we bring you the all-new Slim Plus, an intelligent water purification system from the house of Paramount Pure, a true water solution company. Slim Plus comes with 7-stage purification system that is anti-scaling, eliminates dirt, bacteria, heavy metals, odor, chlorine and other fine impurities from water. Its alkaline and antibacterial filter is approved by Health Ministry of Japan. The filter is far superior than all other synthetic fiber filters used by other brands. Our new technically advanced filter provides you balanced pH value water. And even if you keep this water in a closed container for 3 months, it will still be as pure as crystal. To add shine to your kitchen, Slim Plus comes in 3 vibrant colors with scratch-proof glass surface. Slim Plus includes all stunning features like full touchscreen display and an individual filter life indicator. The filter life indicator lights up and you will know it needs service. Our newly introduced DIY concept to our purifier will help you service the water purifier by yourself, thus saving a lot of money, while other brands use servicing as money-making tool. Its system is so smartly built that it will provide you with water at any temperature. The conventional RO provides water at room temperature, but our water purifier gives you the privilege of water from room temperature to 95 degrees Celsius. You can use this hot water directly for tea and coffee, etc. To store water, we have introduced third tank for your extra requirements. This is first of its kind in India. Now you can have 15 liters of pure water per hour, along with a magical storage capacity of 12 liters. That is 4 plus 7 liters and 1 liter of hot. To add to its glory, we have added a safety lock to prevent unwanted incidents. We have also given tray to hold glasses and containers, and it comes with long life stainless steel faucet. While other brands sell their product in 15,000 and within 5 years they charge you a high amount by misleading you in the name of service. Whereas we, to make it more cost effective, charge only half the amount for service as compared to other brands after the warranty period. So now you can save money for your wishes. Paramount Pure is committed to providing you 24/7 customer service for your Paramount Pure family, so you never run out of healthy, hygienic and pure drinking water. Choose Paramount Pure. Swachh Piyo, Swasth Jiyo.